Vendakkai Sambar, Okra Sambar, recipe. Steps to make Vendakkai Sambar: soak 1/2 tablespoon of tamarind in 1/2 cup hot water for 30 minutes and after 30 minutes squeeze the soaked tamarind pulp and keep it aside. Meanwhile, when the tamarind is soaking, rinse 1/3 cup of tuva dal and add it in pressure cooker. Add 1 medium-sized diced onion into it. Add 1.5 cups of water in the pressure cooker and let the lentils and onion cook for 6-7 whistles or 10-12 minutes on high flame. When the pressure cooker settles down on its own, open the lid and mash the cooked lentil with a spoon. Take a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of coconut or sesame oil. Add evenly chopped okra into it. Sauté it for 2 minutes on a low flame. Add 1 medium-sized diced tomato and sauté for 2-3 minutes, then add mashed lentil in it. Along with lentil, add tamarind pulp into it. Next step is to add the masala into our Vendakkai Sambar. Add 1/4 tablespoon of red chili powder, 3 tablespoon of sambar powder, 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder and add salt according to your taste. Stir it well. Now simmer it on a medium flame for 9-10 minutes till the okra become tender. Don't overcook it, as the overcooked okra become too mushy. Cover the sambar and keep it aside. Tempering for sambar. For tempering, take a small pan, heat 1 tablespoon of coconut or sesame oil. Add 1/2 tablespoon of mustard seeds along with 1/2 tablespoon of urad dal. Let the urad dal to turn maroonish color and mustard seeds to crackle. Keep very low flame, while tempering for sambar. Add 1 sprig of curry leaves, 2 dry red chilies and a pinch of asafoetida. Sauté till the dry red chilies change its color and curry leaves becomes crisp. Pour the tempering into the Vendakkai Sambar, cover the sambar and keep it aside for 5-7 minutes, so that the tempering flavor can be infused with the sambar. Now, serve the Vendakkai Sambar with steamed plain rice, or with idli or dosa. You can also accompany Vendakkai Sambar with plain rice, side veggie dish like poriyal, some appulam, papad, and a pickle as a side. Here you have a delicious South Indian meal.